Good morning, Pawan. Today I'm going to present the app of Shared Prefer Color and Fonts. Okay, this is the design of the app. I used this. The enter your message is the text view, and the white color is the plain text for input the text, and adjust font size is text view, and this one is seek bar. And select font colors is also text view, and red, blue, green is a radio button in radio group, and save settings, clear settings is the button for save settings and clear settings. Okay, now we are going to see the code. This is the code of the activity main dot example. Activity main dot xml. Okay. Okay. This is the background. Background color is the. This is the code for the background color, which means it's black. Okay. For the text view, for the text view of the enter your message, text is enter your message, and text color is this code, and text size is normal 25 sp, and id is text view. Okay, this is the edit text. Okay, for the edit text id is message, and the background code is this, and text color is code is this, and the text view another text view, the text view text is adjust font size, and text size is 25 sp, and the text color is this code, and seek bar the style is style widget dot app component dot seek bar dot discrete, and id for the seek bar is seek bar. Okay, this is the third text view. The third text view is text is select font color, and text is 25 sp, and the text color is this code, and radio button. For the radio group, the background is this code, and inside the radio group is radio button one, which means id is red underscore color, and text is red, and android on click is change color. Okay, the second radio button is id is blue underscore color, the text is blue, and one click is change color. The third radio button is id is green underscore color, text green, and on click is change color, and the radio group, and this is the button one, which means button one is the save settings, and background is this code, and text color is this code, and on click is save settings, and second button is clear settings, background color is this code, and text color is this code, and Android on click is clear settings and the linear layouts. Okay, now we are going to see the strings.xml. Okay, this is the string.xml. The resources are string name, app name, and string prefile, string font size, font color, text info. And now we are going to see the Java. Okay, inside the main activity dot public class main activity, I declared the tools that use in this app, which means edit text, et message, sigbar, and float for the font size, string for the uh, string for the font color, and text info. Okay, inside the protected void, okay, I declare the ID for or the all the tools in here, and the if else statement also. If the font size equals to 25, the sigbar set progress into 0. Okay, else the sigbar progress in font size. If font color equals to red, the ET message takes the pass color of this code, and else if the font color equals to green, ET message text color pass color is this code. Sorry, upon my laptop is a bit lag and okay. Now for the seek bar. Okay, inside the seek bar, the public void et message dot set text size type value complex underscore unit underscore px, and second public void one tracking touch sigbar, and third public void on tracking sigbar nothing here. And this is the public void for the change color. Okay, this is the case for the red underscore color. The et message dot test color pass code is this code for the color red, and font equals to red, and break case again a case blue color, same also for all the three. This is the code for the blue color, and font color equals to blue, and green for the green color code, and font color equals to green. Okay, this is the code for the button save setting button. Okay, if the user click on the save settings, it will be save the setting color into the app. This is the code for the all the settings code, and it will be toast uh, um, from like these settings have been saved at bottom of the app, and this is the public void for the clear settings button, and this is the for the clear settings of the app, the editor dot clear and editor dot apply. This also have the toast for the prompt. At the bottom it will be show setting has been cleared when you click the clear settings button. Okay, this is the output of the app. Okay, the okay, now I'm going to type my name here in the message. Okay, it's here. The size is too small. I can't see the letter properly. Okay, I now I'm going to adjust the size of the font. Okay, for the edges for the font is just click on the seek bar here and move it. Okay, this is the function of the seek bar. And now I'm going to change the color of the font. Okay, for the I'm going to try the red color. For red color, I'm going to click the red color in radio button here. Okay, the message will be the font will be changed the color. Okay, now we're going to try blue. Now I'm going to do, try the green. It is the three color of the font color. Okay, now I'm going to click on save settings button here. Okay, here the toast setting has been have been saved. And for the clear settings, I'm going to click on it, and again toast here. Settings have been cleared. Okay, uh, this is the simple app for the font and size change app. I hope the explanation of the app will be good. Okay, thank you, Juan. Thank you for watching this video.